Hello, beautiful soul. Good morning. I'm grateful for this new day. Life has given me another chance to live, love, and grow. I now think on 3 things that I am grateful for. Thank you for these blessings. I bring my attention to my breath. With every exhale, I will let go of yesterday. With every inhale, I invite peace, ease, and clarity. Inhale for 4. Hold for 2. Exhale for 6. Inhale for 4. Hold for 2. Exhale for 6. Last one, inhale for 4. Hold for 2. Exhale for 6. Today I choose how I feel. How do I want to feel today? Confident, peaceful, energized, joyful. I see myself moving through this day with that energy, calm, focused, and strong. I now affirm who I am. I am strong. I am capable. I am peaceful. I am joyful. I repeat my truth. I repeat it with belief. I am strong. I am truth. I am peace. This is who I choose to be today. Now I ask, what is one action that will make today a success, no matter what else happens? I write it down, and I say it out loud. This step is my compass for today. Today is a gift, and I'm ready to live with ease, gratitude, and purpose.